Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Stickers add permanent or situational boosts to your bees and hive. They affect pollen gains, token drops, and honey collection speed. There are common, rare, epic, legendary, and mythical sticker rarities to collect. Higher rarities usually offer stronger or more specific bonuses for particular tasks. You can equip up to 6 stickers in your sticker loadout for each account or hive tab. Duplicates often matter for upgrades or crafting paths in sticker systems. Understand each sticker's text before you decide to equip it for an activity. Main sticker sources are sticker packs, seasonal events, and player trading channels. Open sticker packs during events or sales to improve your chance for rarer stickers. Seasonal bosses and holiday activities often drop event-exclusive or higher rarity stickers. Using game trading or community trades to swap duplicates for targeted stickers you need. Save currency and shop during sticker sales to maximize value and pack volume. Prioritize events that align with the sticker types you want to collect and equip regularly. Prioritize stickers that match your current activity and bee synergy for best results. For farming, equip stickers that boost pollen, spawn rates, or hive collection speed specifically. Upgrade duplicates when possible and replace weak stickers regularly to improve overall performance. Test different 6-sticker combinations to find consistent winners across quests and events. Keep a focus set for grinding and a separate set for bossing or token runs to maximize efficiency. Regularly reevaluate your loadout after new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.